it's your girl Makaya. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you're not, thank you so much for joining me again today. So as you guys can see by the title of today's video, this is going to be another episode of Cooking with Kaya. Okay, so I even got me a little apron made and it says Cooking with Kaya, okay? And then my cap says Kaya, because that's me. But in today's episode, we are going to be making one of my favorite things to eat now. Like, I don't know what happened to me, but like, I love avocado toast now, okay? So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my avocado toast. This is a really simple, quick and easy and healthy alternative for other breakfast foods. So if you wanna see how I make my avocado toast, please keep watching. So first off, let me start off by saying I used to hate avocados. I didn't like guacamole or anything like that. But ever since I started eating avocado toast, I like guacamole. I put avocado on pretty much everything. Sandwiches, like salads, all types of stuff now. It's crazy, but really quickly, I'm gonna show you guys all of the ingredients that you're gonna need to achieve this recipe. And then we're gonna get started. So the most important part to me that makes a good avocado toast is the actual bread, the toast. And I'm going to be using the Pepper Rich FarmHouse crafted baked goods sweet Hawaiian bread. Okay, this is what it looks like. This bread is so good, and there's something about it being sweet that makes it, like, I don't know, better, makes the avocado toast better. My mom actually uses cinnamon toast to make her avocado toast, but I like this kind better. So you're gonna need your bread, and then you're going to need a avocado, of course, because those are the two main ingredients in this recipe. So I have an avocado, nice and, like, you know, not too soft, not too hard, which is perfect. You're gonna need some butter, country crock. You're going to need your seasonings. I use crushed red pepper, I use regular pepper, I use salt, and I use everything bagel seasoning. Looks like this. Also, you're going to need honey. And then for like a little touch, every now and then I'll do this, I use a little bit of turkey bacon, because remember, this is a breakfast type of food, so turkey bacon fits it. So you can use this or you don't have to, but I like to sprinkle a little bit of this on mine every now and then. So yeah, let's get to cooking the avocado toast. Y'all, I can't believe I forgot about the hot sauce. You're gonna need hot sauce as well. This is the Louisiana, the perfect hot sauce. It's what I'm gonna be using. I can't believe I forgot hot sauce. Now we can get into cooking. Okay guys, to start off, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this avocado in half. Hopefully you guys know how to cut an avocado open. It's really simple. You just slice it in half and then take the seed out and then slice it. Don't mind my paper plate. I'm keeping it real. This is what I do on a daily basis because I do eat avocado toast at least 3 times a week. So this is what I do. I cut it on a paper plate. That way I can just throw it away. And then I actually eat my avocado toast on like a regular plate or whatever. So you're just going to go ahead and, of course, take the spoon and spoon it out. It's so simple, you guys. It's really not hard at all. The hardest part is trying to get the seed out. When you open up an avocado, normally somebody who really knows how to open them up, they take the knife and they kind of like hit it on the top and like turn it. The last time I tried to do that, I kind of cut myself, so I don't do that anymore. I just try to take it out with a spoon until I can find the avocado appliance, basically. Well, it's not an appliance, but the avocado utensil. There's like this whole utensil where it does like everything that you need to do. So I'm gonna try to find that on Amazon. I'm gonna order it, and then I'll show you guys how I use it in like a vlog or something. But now I'm just gonna go ahead and slice it and then season the avocado with salt and pepper. And I like to let that sit for a couple of minutes with the salt and pepper on it while I toast my bread. You guys, this avocado toast is so good, especially with the Hawaiian bread, because before I used to use regular sandwich bread, but like when I started using the Hawaiian bread, oh my god, it took it to the next level, and ever since then I like cannot go back. I got this bread from Kroger, so if you have a Kroger where you live, try it out, like even for like sandwiches and stuff, because I do have another recipe video coming really soon using the same bread. So yeah, like this bread is fire. So once the bread is toasted, I'm just gonna take a little bit of butter and spread it on. I like my toast to be medium toasted, not too light, not too dark, just like right in between, so it's like a little bit of crunch but not too crunchy, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm just gonna take a little bit of butter and spread that, and then once I'm done spreading the butter, you just put everything else on. It honestly doesn't really matter the order. All I do recommend is that you put the honey on next. That way the seasonings can stick to the honey. But either way, it ends up always, you know, tasting the same regardless of the order that I do apply the seasonings. So yeah, you guys. You're just gonna put the avocado down, spread it. It already has the salt and pepper on it because you put that on the avocado while you were toasting your bread. So then once you're done with the avocado, you just spread your honey on it. And everything that I'm using in this, you can substitute with, you know, something else. If you don't want to use honey, you can, I don't know, you can eat it plain. You can eat this plain without all the seasonings and stuff. You can eat the avocado toast with seasonings and hot sauce, no honey. You can eat it with just honey and hot sauce, however you want to do it. I'm just showing you guys how I do mine. I literally just squeeze some honey on it, and then I do my crushed red pepper flakes, and then after that I do my everything bagel seasoning. So good. It's basically like dried onion, garlic, sesame seeds and stuff like that. It's super good. It adds a really nice flavor to it. When I first saw it, I was like, I don't think I would like that, but you guys, it's so fire. And then I'm gonna add my Louisiana hot sauce, you guys, and that's pretty much it for the recipe. Like, it's so simple and so easy, but since the recipe was so easy, I wanted to show you guys how I make my lemonade when I do decide to drink juice, because I don't drink juice often. Oh yeah, I forgot about the bacon bits. I'm only gonna put that on one side, and then we're gonna get into the lemonade. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna need is a mason jar or whatever type of glass drinking cup you would like to use, a straw, and some ice. Now what I'm gonna do is take these strawberries that I have already cleaned and sliced. I cleaned them in salt as well as baking soda. I let them sit for 30 minutes. And then I'm just gonna place a couple down in my jar just because I'm not the biggest fan of strawberries. However, I like the way they look in drinks. So as you guys can see by the title of this drink, or you know, the name of the drink, it's called a raspberry and peach lemonade with strawberries. So yes, this recipe came from a video that I saw where somebody made a strawberry acai refresher from home. and I kind of just put my own twist to it. So yeah, I'm gonna be using Raspberry Simply Lemonade. They used a strawberry cranberry juice from Kroger, which I drink that, you know, every now and then, but I decided to do Simply Lemonade Raspberry because I love raspberry lemonade, and then a splash of the white cranberry peach, which this is the same brand and type of juice as the one that they use for the strawberry side refresher, only they use the strawberry one. And then after that, I'm just gonna do a splash of grenadine, and that is it, y'all. Like, so simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Let me know if you try these recipes. Bye, y'all. Mwah. Okay, guys, so this is the final result of the avocado toast. You guys already kind of saw it. And then the lemonade that I decided to show you guys how I make. So good. If you never tried avocado toast, you have to try it. It's so good. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below in the comment section what other recipes you guys would like to see from your girl, and I will definitely try to get them out to you guys. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, y'all.